Thank you, sisters. These were the words which were repeated time and again during the goodbye liturgy for our sisters. The time had come to go and to hand over once again a missionary commitment into the hands of local people. For 23 years, our sisters lived and worked in Slederlo in the Diocese of Genk. The sisters lived in a simple row house. There, they found a truly missionary situation, for this small but deeply integrated community was rooted in a multicultural society. 14 nationalities were to be found there, and as you see, their door was open to all, and the people have always known this. Sister Maria Everarts lived here this past few years, and Sister Paula de Hert has been one of the founding sisters of this missionary venture in Belgium. The two are joined by Sister Mai de Decker, who has been the heart and soul of this community. In moving the last items from this house to the other ICM communities, Sister Verle Engelbeen and Sister Lieve Brussel are experts, and they know the capacity of each car's booth to the inch. It must be said that most of what the sisters possessed had already found its way into the homes of the poorer ones among the neighbors, resulting in stripped walls and an empty house. And still, Sisters Mai and Maria found a way to welcome the many sisters who came to share in this moment of letting go. An empty house, yes, but soon it was filled with grateful neighbors who came to greet the many sisters who at one time or another lived among them. Coming as strangers, but now living as friends, as Sister Mai so beautifully expressed in her word of thanks. When it was time for the celebration of gratitude, all of us moved to the church, where Christians and Muslims alike joined in the celebration of the Eucharist. By way of introduction, the parish priest depicted the arrival of our sisters 23 years ago as being dropped in a strange environment with nothing more than a compass, some rather primitive guidelines, and a description of what they were supposed to do there. That, he said, is what we can call a vocation, a mission. He continued that even when we leave them, they will continue to hold on to ICM's spirit of determination and daring. Sister Mai de Decker, second from the left, sings for the last time in the church choir. And we thought she could not sing, commented one of the sisters. After the short introduction, representatives of the various organizations our sisters have worked with shared what the sisters, and especially Sister Mai de Decker, have meant for them. Our Father who art in heaven. At this moment, we all felt truly one in the care of the same Father. And this was seen in the faces especially of the sisters who lived and worked in this community. From left to right, Sister Celine Kempeniers, Sister Martine de Roy, Sister Paula de Hert, and Sister Maria Everarts. They represented the many others who could not be present but were mentioned during the celebration.